the Arkansas Derby at Oaklawn this
Yeah.
week. Can you explain the whole format? 2 divisions here, 11 horses in each race?
Right. Actually, it's down to 10. We've had a scratch in each
Okay.
one. So you got 2 fields of 10. What happened was there's a limit normally in this race of 14 horses. So many came in that the folks at Oaklawn Park decided, look, we'll find another $250,000, throw it into what is now $1 million pot, split that between the 2 races, and each of the races will have full Kentucky Derby qualifying points. So the winners should be in. And so we've got 10 in each race for what was an oversubscribed race. And you got a Baffert horse in each one that's going to be the heavy favorite. Charlatan should easily win the first division. It's a weaker division, and the closest thing he had to a speed threat early on was one of the horses that scratched, Shooters Shoot. Even money on the morning line in that race really doesn't look like you'll have any competition. Only horse with 2 triple-digit buyer speed figures coming in, and all the other horses don't have any. And then in the second division, this is the more competitive division. Nadal is in there, a horse that has buyer speed ratings of 94 or above in all 3 of his races, 2 graded stakes wins for Baffert, and he comes in at 5-2. The morning line curiously makes King Guillermo 3-1. He was a 49-1 shot that won his last race. I think he has no business being the second favorite. Wells Bayou, the horse on the outside, much more accomplished, 7-2 odds. I think he's the legitimate second choice. I'd be surprised if King Guillermo was shorter than 5 or 6-1 at best if you're looking for a value play. And I don't think that's where the value play is in this race. So those are the 2 races. And like I said, the 2 winners will go on to the Kentucky Derby in all likelihood. Of course, that's still 4 months away.
Go back to the first race in the Pletcher horse, Morris, 9-2, I think, 4 starts, 2 wins in a second. What do you think of that horse?
Yep. Good horse. My problem with that horse is I don't know that he's fast enough to get up to where Charlatan is. If the pace were going to be pressed and the pace were able to break down, I think Governor Morris could get there. But I think because Charlatan's going to be out on a loose lead, his jockey Martin Garcia won't have to press him any harder than he has to, and he'll have plenty left at the end of the race. I don't like Governor Morris in this spot. If anything, I like Anno D'Or. 6-1, he gets the blinkers taken off. Blinkers last race were a disaster. Blinkers taken off now by Blaine Wright, and I think the 8 horse is a better chance to maybe slide in for the second spot on the exacta.